know that self-discovery is the only journey that matters when you're young. I'm the dream coach, Joel L. Joseph, MPA, and I'd like to be the one to engage your church, school, or youth organization. K-12 or college, it doesn't matter. I'll bring energy, impact, and education to take your event to the next level. Book me today. The most important decision you can make as a leader is who will pour into your kids or students. And the relevance of the message always matters. With over 20 years of speaking experience and 12 years in education, I'm the only one for the job. Follow the link in my biography to reserve your spot today.